Mobile optimization. You want to ensure that your audience get the best experience, the best mobile experience. More than half of the world's internet searchers uses a mobile device. Your target audience are constantly searching the web, constantly using the search engine from a mobile device. So you want to ensure that you deliver the best mobile experience for them. That is why I recommend using content management systems that lets you preview your page or your content in different versions. With WordPress, you can check your content display on mobile, you can check it on tabs, and you can check it on the desktop, so that you know how this content is being displayed to your visitors. The search engine doesn't just work based on the technical algorithm alone. It considers the user behavior. So when your user visits your web page, their experience on the page, their behavior on the page is recorded, is tracked by search engines. When users get a positive experience on your website, when their behavior depicts that they get a positive experience on your website, search engine will recommend your page more. But if the experience is negative, for instance, maybe you sell kimonos and a user goes on a search engine, types in kimono, and you have a good content, let's say you have a good content, and the search engine recommends your page, your content page on the search engine result page, and the user clicks on this link, gets to your page, but your page is not optimized for mobile. It is only optimized for desktop. So the display is wacky, the page width is too wide, it takes long to load. These are negative experiences, and this may make the user just leave your page instantly. And when a user leaves your page instantly without even spending a few minutes to digest the content on the page, it tells the search engine that this user is having a negative experience with this page, and that way the search engine will not recommend your page, your content page, to the next searcher looking for a kimono. You need to optimize your web page and your web content for mobile, so that, for instance, if that searcher searches for kimono and the search engine recommends your page, the user or the searcher clicks on the link, gets to your page, they get the best mobile experience so far. The page loads on time, the display is awesome, everything looks awesome on their mobile. Now the search engine takes that behavior, their scroll depth, the time they spent on your page, everything, every behavior, their activities, their engagement with your page. The search engine takes this and records it as a positive experience. That way the search engine will recommend your page more often to people searching for kimonos, because your content is not only relevant but also delivers a positive user experience, and that is what you should be looking for.